Hi there. Now you see this is the Noodle Flat smiling face USB data charger cable for micro USB Android phone. It can charge power and transfer data at the same time, and the connector will light up as it charges, and you can connect your phone to your PC or laptop to access and synchronize your phone book contacts, emails and appointments, and change ringtones, background pictures, and take advantage of other useful applications. And it's compatible with any micro USB device. Okay, let's see. And by the way, this is the MPJ power band. So let's see. Okay, thanks for watching this video.